Today we're diving into Fliki AI, a cool tool that turns text into videos. But who wants to pay for something you can try for free? That's right. In this quick 1-minute guide, we'll see how to use Fliki AI's features without spending a dime. Step 1. Sign up for free. First, head over to Fliki AI's website. On the main page, you'll see a button that says Start Now under the free plan. Click that, and you'll be whisked away to the sign-up page. The best part? You can create an account using your Google account. No credit card details needed. Step 2. Create your first text-to-video project. Once you're signed in, click New File. Here, give your project a name, choose your video language, and select Video as the file type. Hit Create to access the editing dashboard. Step 3. Craft your video with free features. Here's where the fun begins. Type your script into the text box or paste it from somewhere else. Fliki AI offers a good variety of free voiceover options. Pick one that suits your project and listen to the previews before making your choice. Step 4. Export your free video. Once you're happy, click Save and then Export. Fliki will process your video and send you an email notification when it's ready to download. Remember, the free plan has limitations, but it's a fantastic way to try out Fliki and create shorter videos for free. Now you know how to use Fliki AI's free features to create awesome videos. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tricks. Thanks for watching.